Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we continue our lesson regarding the drawing or sketching the trigonometry functions. Okay, so this before this I was just showing to you how to sketch the function, but regarding sketching the graph, you need to know also how to answer a short question without sketching the graph. Okay, so look at here. For the function, the question state that the function are defined on this range. So this is quite important. Okay, very important, the range. Okay, for each function, write down the amplitude, the period, and the coordinate of the maximum and minimum point. Okay, so for the first one is 7 cos x. So 7 cos x, remember back. Okay, so 7 cos x, the basic one, y equals to cos x. Okay, y equal to cos x. The maximum point is 1, the minimum point is -1. Okay, so I just recalling that. Okay, actually no need to draw. Okay, but just remember, okay, where the amplitude refer to in the equation, in the function itself. So this is the amplitude. So for the question A, the amplitude is 7. Okay, write down the amplitude. B, the period. So period for cos is period is equals to 2 pi over b. So our b is 1 here. So 1, so we got 2 pi. So question number C, the coordinate of maximum and minimum. So the maximum value or maximum point is 7 something, and -7 something. Okay, wrong. So bila kata maximum minimum, so 7 and -7 tu duduk dekat y lah. Okay, so but you need to recall back the shapes. Okay, kita recall sahaja shapes. Kalau kat sini -7, kat sini akan jadi kat sini +7, -7. So this is 2 pi dekat sini, pi dekat sini. So the minimum is pi. Okay, and the maximum is at 0, 7 and 2 pi 7. Okay, so that's the question. Okay, boleh understand for that. Okay, now kita pergi question number B. Okay, tengok question number B, number 2, Roman. Okay, or you can try number 2. I show you number 3. Okay, you can try by your own number 2. Okay, try now number 2. Okay, so I show you for question number 3. Okay, so but it's still cos. Okay, so saya tukarlah. Tak tengok. I took question number 2. You buat question number 3 by your own. Okay, so number 2 is a sine graph. Okay, so amplitude is mudah sahaja. Tengok kat depan, amplitude dia 2. Okay, so for B, the period. So the period is 2 pi over B. Our B is 2 now. So 2. So our period become pi. So then C, what is C? The period, the coordinate of maximum and minimum. Coordinate of maximum and minimum. So remember back, okay, the graph of sine starting from 0, okay, so this is 0, okay, so this is 2, -2, starting from 0, 180 kat sini, this is 90 degree, so 19 degree, atau you boleh buat pi over 2, so pi over 2, dia punya maximum, this is the maximum. So dia punya minimum adalah at this point kat sini adalah 270 degree, 3 pi over 2 or 270 degree negative 2. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, for questions. Okay, now kita sambung lagi. Kita sambung lagi soalan. Okay, sekejap saya tersilap ni. Okay, sebab dia 2 pi. Sorry, sebab dia 2 kat sini So dia 2 bukan sorry, tu kalau 1 Kalau 1 memang ni lah jawapan dia. Okay, so kalau 2 macam mana you nak buat? Okay, kalau 2 maknanya dia 2 kali macam ni, takkan kita nak lukis kan? So senang sahaja, you ingat dia ada the period is pi, the period is pi kat sini. Okay, kat sini pi, meaning that kat sini 19 degree. So kat sini jadi 45 degree lah. So 45 degree dia akan bertambah sebanyak 45 degree kat sini tambah 19. So 135 degree. And dia ada dua maximum point. Okay, kat sini kita tengok 45, 100 and sorry, saya tambah je guna calculator. 45 plus 19 you dapat 135 plus another 19 you dapat 225 degree. So 225 degree, 2 and another one is 225 plus 19 also. Okay, 315 degree negative 2. Okay, so that is kenapa cikgu tambah 19, sebab from here to here is 19. So from here to here also 19, from here to there also 19. Okay, so itu. Okay, so that is for question number 1. For question 1 and 2. Okay, I already show you cos ni. And now kita tengok yang ada this one, this part yang ada plus minus. Tengok. Okay. So ada plus minus. Okay. So ada plus minus. So jawapan dia akan jadi berapa? Okay, kita tengok kat sini number 4. 4 cos x plus 1. Okay, so 4 cos x plus 1. So the amplitude nampaklah A macam 4. Tapi ada plus 1. So the amplitude dia akan jadi change ke? Tak, dia tak jadi 5. Dia tetap jadi 4. Amplitude dia although we draw it here. Okay, contoh cos. Okay, this is cos. Here. Okay, although we say that dia beranjak. So dia plus 1 jadi 5. Kat sini akan jadi 1, kat sini akan jadi negative 3. So tetap dia punya amplitude is 4. Dia tak berubah jadi 5 Okay, so kena faham tu. Okay, B the period. So period is 2 pi divided by 1. So 2 pi lah, or 360 degree the period. Okay, now C. C for question number 5. C, okay. So the coordinate of the minimum and maximum point. Okay, kita pergi pada maximum point dulu. So we already sketching tadi. Okay, kalau kat sini dia 4, ni negative 4, di 0, tapi dia dah add by 1 jadi 5. Jadi 1 jadi negative 5. Saya just sketching saja. Besar sikit lah supaya you nampak. Okay, simple sketching je, as long as you understand. Okay, so kat sini jadi 5, kat sini jadi 1, kat sini jadi negative 4. Okay, so remember kita punya 5 kat sini maknanya dia akan mula dengan 0, 5. Okay, sebab apa? Sebab dia punya period still lagi 360 degree kat sini. Okay, bukan 2. Okay, so kat sini dia akan ada 2 lah. Another one is 360 degree 5. And this one is 180 degree negative 4. Okay, 180 degree negative, negative 4 pula. Negative 3. Kenapa negative 3? Sebab negative 4 plus 1. So, jadi negative 3. Okay, so that's all for this part of question. You can try question, okay, as your homework. Okay, 3 questions.